Simple English sentences. The cat sleeps. She reads a book. It is sunny. He drinks water. They play soccer. The dog barks. I like ice cream. We go to school. She writes a letter. The sun sets. Birds fly high. Open the door. He runs fast. The child laughs. The phone rings. She eats lunch. The wind blows. The book is read. I see a tree. We sing songs. The car stops. He fixes things. She wears a hat. The baby cries. I draw pictures. The clock ticks. The flowers bloom. They watch TV. The sun rises. I write notes. She makes cookies. The rain falls. He catches a ball. The fish swims. We eat dinner. The sky is blue. She opens a gift. The train moves. I play piano. The park is nice. He talks loudly. The ice melts. We visit friends. The moon shines. She listens well. The bed is soft. I jump high. The milk spills. They climb trees. The light is on. She plants seeds. The food tastes good. The wind is cold. He washes dishes. I wear shoes. The book is old. We walk home. The snow falls. She paints walls. The street is quiet. He buys groceries. I sleep early. The dog runs. She bakes bread. The cup breaks. We ride bikes. The game starts. The door closes. I fold clothes. The chair wobbles. She reads aloud. The bell rings. We play cards. The sand is warm. He ties his shoes. The bus arrives. I eat fruit. The sky is cloudy. She hugs me. The water boils. We drive fast. The baby sleeps. The doorbell rings. He paints pictures. I solve puzzles. The grass is green. She writes poetry. The heater works. We cook together. The dog fetches. The ball bounces. He reads newspapers. I brush my teeth. The cake bakes. The phone charges. We dance happily. The cat purrs. I climb stairs. The water is cold. She ties a ribbon. Thanks for watching.